Hello and welcome to our new embroidery site of how to start your own embroidery business. We are so excited to have helped so many people start this business, and we can't wait to help more. Embroidery grows in so many different directions, and we are here to help you start your business. Now, first, you can take advantage of buying your machine. What machine's best for you? What machine's going to do what you need? We have a handful of selected choices that are tailor-made to get right to business. Now, these choices will give you hats, will give you jackets, fun, depending on what size frame you're looking for and what options you'd like. Now, each of these are tailor-made with a special kit to get you started, or you can choose the ultimate bundle. Now, aside from just providing you with an amazing machine at an amazing price, we also have some good learning education to go along with this. Leah's here to tell us about that.
So we will have a 6-week online course that will be available twice a year, and we will go through all the necessities that you need to know how to learn how to start your own embroidery business. So we'll go through how to select your own machine, how to use the equipment, how to digitize, starting an Etsy shop, and then all of the legal and pricing things that you need to know to start your own embroidery business.
This is going to be an amazing adventure, and we can't wait for you to join us on this. Education, sales, all these great things. We're going to help you find the exact right tools and teach you how to use them. So give us a call, message us, sign up today. We are looking forward to helping you.
Yep, thank you.